Today's kilt is a brown night watch hybrid kilt. We begin by collecting necessary items that used to make a perfect kilt. These items include fabric, drill jeans and tartan for inner pleats, thread, a sewing machine, scissors, pins, measuring tape, a ruler, leather straps, buttons, D-rings. Initially, we take the fabric of desired color and cut it according to the given size. After cutting the jeans fabric, we cut the pieces of tartan for inner pleats and sewed them on the back side of the kilt. Now it's time to attach leather straps at the waist for fastening the kilt. On the back and front belts, looks are also sewn to hold the belt. To hold the keychains and other small items, D-rings are given with belt loops. To keep your belongings secure, pockets are sewn on both sides of the kilt.